Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up color and image swatches in Woocommerce. This feature allows your customers to visually see product variations like different colors or patterns directly on your product pages, making the shopping experience much more intuitive and engaging. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your WooCommerce store, as you'll need access to your WordPress dashboard to make these changes. Once you're logged in and viewing your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here you'll see various options for managing your site. Look for the option labeled Products and click on it. This will expand to reveal additional menu items related to your WooCommerce setup. From these expanded options, click on Attributes. This section is where you'll define the characteristics that make your products unique, such as color, size, or material. Now you're on the Attributes page, and this is where the real setup begins. To create color and image swatches, you'll first need to fill in the name and slug fields for your new attribute. For example, you might use image or colors as both the name and slug depending on what type of swatch you're creating. These fields help identify the attribute throughout your store. Now here's the crucial part. Look for the Type drop-down menu. This dropdown is essential because it determines how your attribute will display on product pages. From this dropdown, select the option that enables swatches rather than standard dropdowns. This selection transforms plain text variations into visual, clickable swatches that customers can interact with. Once you've configured these settings, click to add the attribute. Now look over to the right side of the page where all your attributes are listed. Find the attribute you just created and click on Configure Terms. This step allows you to define the individual variations within that attribute. Under the product attribute configuration, you'll need to enter a name and slug for each specific variation. For instance, if you're setting up color swatches, you might enter red as the name and red as the slug. Below these fields, you'll notice a color picker tool appear. This color picker is what generates the actual color swatch that customers will see on your product pages. Simply click on it, select your desired color, and it will automatically create a visual swatch. Once you've added this product attribute term, click on Add New to save it. You'll want to repeat this entire process for every color swatch you wish to include in your product lineup, building out a complete palette of options for your customers. Now, if you're working with image swatches instead of colors, the process follows nearly the same steps. The key difference is that instead of using a color picker, you'll be prompted to upload an image file. This could be a pattern, texture, or any visual representation of your product variation. Simply select the image from your computer, upload it, and it will function as a clickable swatch on your product pages. Continue adding image swatches by repeating the process until you've created all the variations you need. And there you have it, you've successfully set up both color and image swatches in WooCommerce, giving your store a more professional and user-friendly shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.